Uy, murag element, murag kinder ja. Again, pronoun. Nalong na mo din na. Again, types.
Types of pronouns. Personal pronouns. Replace specific people or in example. I use he, it, young, they. Relative pronouns. Connect clauses of pronouns or pronouns. Example. Who, whose, which, that. This constructive pronoun. For those specific things. Example. This, that, there's, those. An indefinite pronoun. Refers to non-specific people or things. Example. Someone, nobody, everything, nothing. Reflexive pronouns. Refer one to the subject. Example. Myself, yourself, himself, herself. And reflexive pronouns. Emphasize the subject. Example. Myself, yourself, themselves. Possessive pronouns. Show ownership. Example. Mine, yours, hers, ours.
Interrogative.
Interrogative pronouns. Used to ask questions. Example. Who, how, which, that, what. Reciprocal.
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal pronouns. Indicate personal adjective. Example. Each, other, or either. Distributive pronouns.
Distributive.
Distributive pronouns. Refer to individuals and their group. Example. Each, every, neither.
Okay, who can give an example using personal pronouns for 50 points? Yes, Carl Ruben. Teacher manawag. Sige. Raise your hands again. Yes. You can say I love you. I is a personal pronoun.
I went to the store.
Who are you with?
Tabamo with?
I went to the store with.
Tabamo. I went to the store with my bestie.
And who is your bestie?
Janelle. Tabamo.
50 points.
Ako yung nurse.
Okay. Relative pronoun. You can give a sentence using relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. Relative, that is this demonstrative ba na? Relative pronouns. that. Kaya lang may that din na nga. Demonstrative pa na siya. Dili na siya relative. Demonstrative.
Which one do you pick?
And then the choices are? Which one do you pick? Vegetable or? Okay, 50 points. 15. Okay, 4 demonstrative pronouns. Okay, these apples are sweet. 50 points correct. Okay, we will have indefinite pronouns. No. Dili. In. Nothing is impossible in. Okay, nothing is impossible in life. 50 points. Okay, how about reflexive pronouns? Reflexive. Myself, yourself, herself, himself. No. Reflexive. Dili pwede mo balik na. Dili pwede mo balik si Minda. GBD. I like myself. Correct. Okay, next is intensive pronouns. Intense. Yun na pwede mo. Line aside. Wrong! Ano sa ito? Jagsod ni? Wala. Okay. That is possessive pronoun. Dili na sa intensive. Possessive lagi na. Oh, Natalie. Love yourself. Correct. Love yourself. Okay, possessive pronoun. And teacher. Ayaw, minus 20 ko magtinduga ay. Ang pakabasa na ko sa layo sa mabuta lugar mo. Ang kabasa ko magayon ng kalimutan ni John Christine. This is mine. What's yours? Okay. Okay, isa sa grupo sa TESA, 50 points. Okay, so interrogative pronouns. Interrogative. O sa ba din niya paglantaw-lantaw niya pataas si Kuan. Oy, manawag ka dito dinhi, dito sa dinhi ba ana ba baylo. Unsa daw? Unsa daw, Cherish? Unsa na? Unsa na siya? Interrogative pronouns. Asking questions. Interrogative questions.
Who are you?
Correct. Who are you? Okay. Reciprocal pronouns.
Where are you?
Reciprocal pronouns. Each other or another. Haluwa ka sa tulog sulod ko kaya siya. We love each other, correct. Sige lang. Okay, last one, distributive pronoun. We have every, either, neither, it. Dele, si Rhapsody kaya naka-incode na mo tawaga. Yes, Rhapsody. Everyday I exercise. Correct. Okay, puzzle. Okay na to. By tagboards na. Kaya 1 to 5. A, B, C, D lang. Okay, A, B, C, or D. Write the letter of the correct answer. Letter lang. Nalaman na ikuan. Pangita mo na lagi dia. Sige ka ng cartoon ah. Okay, ready? Number 1. Ingkod lagi mo, dapat hilom.
A, B, C, D, D.
Unsa man naa? Naaya ka video. Again, read the question. My sister is going to the store. And she buys some milk. So what is the pronoun there? A? A? Okay, up. Tapos para to sa teacher. 10 points. The students are working on their project. What is the highlighted word? There. Okay, A. Personal pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Reflective pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Ano na, Andy? Demonstrative pronoun. Identify the type on their project. Demonstrative. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up. Okay, ask the teacher what's the correct answer. B. Isa ng B. Boy, isa ng B. Possessive pronoun. Wala naka-correct. Okay, next. Ingkod mo, kanina makita ang teacher. Huy, tindog dia teacher sa mapag-inkuray dia. Again. Choose the correct pronoun to complete the sentence. Sige, the sentence is? Again? Nawa, nakita na answer. If anyone needs help, blank, can ask the teacher. Okay, A. Sayo naman ka, ba man na wrong sila Carbrowen. Sayo naman ka ang pronoun na wrong man mo. D. Okay, 30 points. 30. Okay, ready? A. Ay, pasulat sa ila yung pag-choices. Wala ABCD. Pasulat sa ila ang pronoun. Okay, the book is mine. What is the pronoun in the sentence? 5, 4, 3. Up. The answer. Mine. niya si Kaidi. Niya ba, Kaidi, you are mine. Isigaw mo sa hangin. Kaidi, you are mine. Okay, ready? Gusto sa lemon tingog? Ako de. Ambil saja ininya. Take your seat.
Ang choices lang, sir.
Okay. Just write the pronoun in the sentence. The manager of the store is he who helped me yesterday. The manager of the store is he who helped me yesterday.
Help, sir, help.
He is wrong. He is wrong. You have to write the correct pronoun because he is wrong. The manager of the store is he who helped me yesterday. He is wrong. So what should be the replacement of he? The correct replacement. The manager of the store is he who helped me yesterday. Dili na mao. Dili na mao.
He was the one who helped me. Oh, no.
Ako ato sa i-blank, the manager of the store is blank who helped me yesterday.
So,
Oo. Ang pronoun.
Sir, tanawa, sir. Ay, sir. Ay, manager lalaki na.
Okay, i-choices Jenny niyo A.
B or T.
Ako, B or T. B or T. Di ba na wala tayo ng answer?
Oh, pag-aided to.
Manager of the store is
A, ito, ingon, A. Again, A. Dito ba sa tubangan?
Oy, tama mo, tuloyin mi ka ba ng party?
Take your seat. Okay, ato karoon ang question ha. Okay, ato ingkod. Say for example, Joseph is the manager. The manager is blank. Whom he have helped me yesterday. Okay na ako ingon ha. Kung si J... Naala ka nila, David.
Help me.
Say for example, ako mag-sentence ha. Joseph the manager is blank. Siya ang manager. Nga mao'y nakatabang sa ako yesterday. The manager is blank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up. The correct answer is him. Wala na, giris mo na Minda. Nobody got the correct answer. Okay. 1/4 of the paper. Oh, A, B, C, D lagi yapon.
Ang 6 pa doon sa 10.
Hoy, manguyab, dili kay matag sa answer.
Sir! Sir!
Interview ako no, di makaeskila kay yung tamang po sila. Ay, nagpo po sila. Kaya gisakyan ni Bok.
Bukan yang sa bayang inahan. Okay, ready? A, B, C, or D, write the letter of the correct answer. Dili ko kung basta nagtarong nila, di ko mutabang ang tayo lang. Sa tunga, kani pa kadungag uban, tunga.
Number 1. Identify the type of pronoun in the sentence. The cat is looking at himself in the mirror.
A. A na yun.
A. Personal pronoun. B. Possessive pronoun. C. Reflexive pronoun. D. Demonstrative pronoun. The cat is looking at himself in the mirror.
Himself. Himself? Okay. Okay, number 2. A.
A. Personal pronoun. B. Possessive pronoun. C. Reflexive pronoun. D. Demonstrative pronoun. Number 2. Choose the correct pronoun to complete the sentence. The students are going to the party and they will bring their friends. A. He, B. She, C. It, D. They.
Di ba manikas kay kawidyuan? Giingon mo na. Duwan na mo.
The students are going to the party and they will bring their friends. A. He, B. She, C. It, D. They.
Number 3.
Number 3. Identify the pronoun in the sentence. The teacher give the students their homework. A. Their. B. Student. C. Teacher. D. Homework. The teacher give the student their homework. A. Their. B. Student. C. Teacher. D. Homework.
Ayaw na. Next number.
Number 4. Choose the correct pronoun to replace the underlined word in the sentence. The woman is herself a doctor. A. Her. B. She. C. Herself. Herself. D. Her. Hers. The woman is
Last number.
Last number, hang back. Identify the type of pronoun in the sentence. This is my book. Personal person A. Personal person This is my book. A. Personal pronoun. B. Possessive pronoun. Possessive demonstrative pronoun.
Count. 5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exchange papers, right? Corrected by? Ihapa na lang sa daw doon. Ihapa na lang score. Ihapa na lang scores. Ito ba? Okay, leaders, kung ano na yun, ayaw daw ata kung walay corrected by. Ang team captain or assistant leader. Perfect. Sa'yo naman ka. Oh. Si manguli. Ay, sa to nga. Hoy, dapat wrong. Dapat Minda, my loves. 5/5. Ano na zero ba na James Road ne? May ABCD na gani.
Gani, anis na
Ang sahod ang dagwan. Question mark kayo, Brits. Kita na? Hoy, wrong. Dapat car ruin my labs. 3/5. Okay, we'll sing the song once more. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and. Sige, sagit pa kay 500 ug maang bayad ha. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, and. Okay. Group 1 has. Unsa man na it? Okay, let's give a clap to Teacher Jane Nino Tabamo.